again, we're in the process of doing repetitions, where basically we're looking at things and trying to do them. And, kind of looking at the problem, I see there's negative powers in it. And, I'm not going to say they're bad, but I'm going to say that maybe you could multiply both sides by x to the, let's say, 10/3. All right, what do you get over there? You would get 1 plus 244 x to the 5/3 minus, whoops, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that, minus, it's equal, 243 x to the 10/3. So I'm going to rewrite it so it equals 0, 243 x to the 10/3. Let's see, plus 244 x to the 5/3 plus 1 equals 0. And this looks relatively simple to factor. So 243 x to the 5/3 plus 1 and 243, I'm sorry, not 243, I don't want to do that again, that'd be a crazy number. So it's going to be x to the 5/3 plus 1 equals 0, all right? And then what do you do? Again, it's really a repetitious problem. And the problem with repetition is like an exercise. Why do we keep doing the same thing over and over again? To get stronger at it. It's almost like you're exercising, lifting weights or something. But this is x to the 5/3 is equal to minus 1. I would cube both sides, and you get x to the 5th power equals, well, if I cube both sides, I still get minus 1. So x would equal minus 1. By the way, there's actually 5 solutions to that, but in a real number system, we're just going to say the solution is minus 1. Here's the deal, though. The other one looks a little more complicated, and I'll write this down for you. It would be x to the 5/3 is equal to, let's take a look at that. That's going to be minus 1 over 243. Well, you know what? I want to look at the 243, and it's not a bad number. It's like, you might see it like right away. It's 3 times 81. All right, that's 243. And what do I know now? I know this is 3, and 81 is actually 3 to the 4. So it's really 3 to the 5th power. Right, let me write that down for you. X to the 5/3 is minus 1 over 3 to the 5th power. All right? Now, so what are you going to do now? Well, I really got to figure this thing out, and I know it looks difficult, but I'm going to raise both sides to the 3/5. Well, I think we did something like that before. Top is minus 1. And let's see, what's 5 times 3/5? It's going to be, that's a 5, right? Well, that's just going to be 3. So 3 to 3. That's easy. Minus 1 over 27. So we have 2 answers, minus 1 and minus 1/27, and they're right over here. All right, just another reminder, not beyond make a mistake or maybe reasoning poorly. My name is Bannon. My email address is also Bannon, B as in boy, the @ symbol, nnon.us. Again, if you reach out to me and you have a comment or concern related to improving the document, I'd be happy to hear from you. If I'm not overwhelmed, I'll get back to you. Thank you.